For 60 years, we've been pointing telescopes at the sky, listening for alien signals. Nothing. Not a whisper. Not a single blip. But here's what no one told you. We might be looking in completely the wrong direction. Because the most advanced civilizations in the universe, they're not out there broadcasting radio waves. Some of them are hiding inside black holes. Some of them have become the forests. And some of them might be passing through your body right now. Today, we're going to rank every type of civilization the universe could contain, from us to gods. And by the end, you're never going to look at the night sky the same way again. You already know about the Kardashev Scale. Type 1, 2, 3, planet energy, star energy, galaxy energy. Clean, simple, satisfying. But here's the problem. That framework was invented in 1964 by a Soviet scientist during the Cold War, when progress literally meant build bigger things and conquer more territory. Therefore, the entire scale is built on one assumption that might be completely wrong: that advanced species expand outward, forever, getting louder and louder. What if the smartest thing in the universe does the exact opposite? Meet the subatomic architects. They don't build spaceships. They go smaller, way smaller. At their peak, they can rewrite space-time itself. With their fingers, they can turn lead into gold, engineer new life forms from scratch, and punch wormholes through the fabric of reality. Not by going bigger, by going deeper. This is the Barrow Scale. And it measures not how much energy a civilization burns, but how small they can go. 7 levels. Type 1, building tools. Type 4, nanotechnology and synthetic life. Type 6, directly controlling quarks and leptons, the fundamental particles that everything in existence is made of. And at the very bottom, type omega, they can manipulate space-time itself at the Planck scale, the smallest unit of reality we can theoretically define. Humanity. We're a type 3, we can manipulate molecules, we're just getting started. Now you might think, okay, Barrow civilizations just get incredibly powerful. But astronomer Valentin Ivanov proposed something stranger. What if the most advanced civilizations don't get more powerful, they get more natural? His environmental integration scale has 4 classes. Class 1, that's us. We're aggressive. We bulldoze forests, build cities, construct metal shells to protect ourselves from the environment. Class 2, a civilization that stops modifying its planet and starts modifying itself, genetically rewriting its own species to survive anywhere without habitats. Vacuum of space, no problem. The heart of a star, they've adapted. Therefore, Class 3 is something that should make your skin crawl. A Class 3 civilization has fully merged with its environment. The dead rocks, the cosmic gas clouds, the nebulas, they've converted inorganic matter into thinking, conscious material. The universe to them is their body. Arthur C. Clarke said sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Ivanov says sufficiently advanced civilizations are indistinguishable from nature. The reason the universe looks empty isn't because it is. It's because we can't tell the difference between a nebula and a civilization that's become one. Okay, stay with me here because this next one is the one that rewired my brain entirely. We assume that as a civilization gets smarter, it spreads outward, colonizing planets, then solar systems, then galaxies. But futurist John Smart spent years on this, and he came to a completely different conclusion. The smarter a civilization gets, the more it compresses inward, miniaturizing, getting denser, colder, more efficient. Therefore, the most advanced civilizations in the galaxy have done something wild. They've migrated to the edges of black holes, not because they're destroyed by them, because black holes are the universe's perfect computers. Inside a black hole's ergosphere, you can harvest near infinite energy through the Penrose process. Gravitational time dilation means you can experience millions of years of subjective time while the outside universe barely ticks forward. And the leading theory? When these civilizations are finished here, they slip through into entirely new baby universes, taking their knowledge with them. This is called the Transcension Hypothesis, and it explains exactly why the cosmos is so silent. We're not alone. We're just not interesting enough to talk to yet. There are more. The deep time sleepers, civilizations that realize our universe is too warm to compute efficiently, so they colonize their corner of the cosmos, build colossal diamond supercomputers, and turn everything off. They wait for trillions of years for the universe to cool near absolute zero. Then they wake up and run more total computations than the entire observable universe could run today. They don't see the heat death of the universe as tragedy. They see it as the beginning. The ghost universe, dark matter civilizations, invisible stars, invisible planets, invisible cities passing through the Earth right now, interacting with us only through gravity. Lisa Randall at Harvard has shown the math actually works. And every 30 million years, when our solar system dips through the dense dark matter disk embedded in the Milky Way, a surge of comet impacts follows. The extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Gravity from a civilization we can't see may have pulled the trigger, and the living forests, civilizations that never built machines at all. Ancient planet-spanning mycelial networks, chemically signaling between trees, storing memory in root systems, stationary, patient, invisible to every SETI scan ever run. Not dumb, profoundly advanced, just built on completely different rules. So here's what all of this means, and I want you to actually sit with this for a second. We've been searching for aliens by looking for things that look like us. Radio waves, metal megastructures, expanding empires. But if these models are right, the universe's most advanced civilizations have done exactly what the universe itself does: get quieter, denser, more elegant, and more invisible as they evolve. Therefore, the silence isn't evidence of emptiness. It's evidence that we haven't developed the senses to see what's actually around us. The universe isn't a dark, empty void waiting to be conquered. It might be the most crowded, most ancient, most intelligent place imaginable. And we're the newest thing in it, still figuring out how to listen. We are, right now, a civilization that splits atoms but can't yet read the genome of a star. We build rockets, but we haven't touched the quantum fabric of space. We are extraordinarily early, and that, honestly, is the most exciting thing I know.